go.
Thanks.
All right, so what is this one called again? Division. Remember, because we're dividing the orange.
Division.
Because we're going to, let's say it again, division.
Division.
Good. Okay, so that's what we do when we want to divide something to make it into equal parts. All right, so we've gone over all 4. Does anybody have any questions? No? Okay, so y'all, it's all clear on what we've done. Okay, I have here some review sheets that y'all can go over and take home. And y'all can go home and look over this for the test that we'll eventually be having. Okay, now we're going to do our activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give y'all each a sheet of paper. Here you go, and here's 2 markers. And what I want you to do is I'm going to give an example. And I want y'all, as fast as you can, to write down the type of fraction, the meaning.
Of the 4 you told us?
Of the 4 I told y'all.
Okay.
Do y'all want me to go say them one more time? Okay. The 4 fractions again. Why don't y'all write them at the top, and so y'all will have a word, the words to pick from. Part of a whole. Part of a group. Point on a number line. And division. So again, just think about the examples we did and what we did for each, and those are the orders we did them in, and just think back. And I'm going to give 4 examples, and the point of the game is whoever can write down the answer the fastest and raise it up without being loud, just raise it up fast, and whoever can raise it the fastest and get it correctly gets a point, okay? So that's what we're going to do, and whoever can get the most out of the 4 we're going to do wins, and I'm going to have a prize at the end of the day.
A prize?
Yep, I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I'll have to just do well. Okay?
$20.
I don't have 20 bucks to give y'all. Okay. So the first example, are y'all ready?
Yes.
All right, the first example I'm going to give is 2 desserts split equally among 4 people. What does that say?
Division.
Division, that's right.
Yay!
Mackenzie got that right. It is division because if we have, like what we did with the orange, we cut it in half because we wanted to split equally among the whole class. And like my example, 2 desserts split equally among 4 people. So once again, that's division. All right, ready for the next one? A ribbon 3/4 feet long. These are getting a little tricky. Jamie got that one. Point on a number line. That is correct. Did you get that? Mackenzie
I got
that one right too?
Too slow.
Okay, so Mackenzie has 1 point. And Jamie has 1 point as well. Alright. Point on a number line. Again, remember how I did the ribbon and we wanted 6 inches of the 12 inches. Again, that's 3/4 foot long of a ribbon. Okay. Ready for the next one? Alright. 2 slices of an 8-slice pizza. Jamie, you're on fire. Part of a whole. That is correct. Mackenzie, can you tell me why that's part of a whole?
Because you had a whole pizza, but you're only taking part of it.
Right. That's what we did on the board earlier. Okay, so Jamie now has 2 points. All right. Are we going to be able to tie this up? We might have to tie it up. All right. The last example. 3/5 of a group of 20 people prefer juice over soda. Oh gosh, that kind of looked like a tie. Let me see the answers. I can't even read.
Part of a group.
Part of a group. All right, y'all both got that one. That is correct. We'll have to do. No wait, Jamie won that one because y'all are each gonna need a point. So Jamie wins the game. So again, part of a group. 3/5 of 20 people of a group prefer juice over soda. All right. Once again. What we learned 4 different types of what today, class?
Fractions.
Right. Okay. So, Jamie, give me 2 of the fractions we learned today.
We learned about part of a whole, And we learned about part of a group.
Right. And Mackenzie, can you give me the two other ones?
The things with the ribbons, number on a number line, point on a number
Point on a number
line,
line, yes.
and oranges cut in half, division.
Division, right. So each of these fractions stands for something. Each means a different type of fraction. So tonight I'm going to go home and I think I'm going to order a pizza for my family. And I'm giving y'all a real world example where you will see this. So usually I get, for me and my husband, I get a pizza with 8 slices. And usually I'll eat about 3 and he'll eat 5. So my fraction for that will be 3/5 because I'm eating 3 pieces of the 8 pieces that are in that pizza. So what I want y'all to do is I want you to go home and you can talk with your parents if you need help or a little confused. And I want you to find something and write it down and tell me when you used any of these types of fractions. And I'm going to give y'all a couple days to do this because I know we're just learning this. So we're going to end on that today, and tomorrow we're going to go on to rational numbers, so please be prepared for that because it's going to be a little bit trickier than it was today. All right, thanks, class.